Hi teacher, so this is the video for our robot for the fair at City. Here's a programmation, but City is gonna explain that one to you. So I'm just gonna explain the connections and the robot. So first of all, the costume, it is a baby polar bear, as you can see here. And we thought about this because, bears are cute and we originally wanted to do a brown bear, but we realized we didn't have any brown and the material is already white, so we figure, hey, polar bear. So there we go. I don't want to move it around too much so as to not mess up the connections that are inside, but yeah, there it is. Look at it, it's super happy and everything. And well, here we have a little hole, but that's so I can connect the battery to the Arduino, because if I connect it earlier, it just goes non-stop. So yeah, I have to control that somehow. And here we have the secret eyes. And so I know you said like recyclable material, and technically this is recycled because I just have a bunch of like these that I've bought for like last year in school for like I've actually had this since like 8th grade, I think, because I just in my old school I had to do a lot of like projects that require these materials, so I just have a lot of this, a lot of what's called dry ice, and I have like a lot of this as well, and this, yeah. So it's technically recycled, and I can use it for something else again. So that's pretty cool. And yeah. So let's see how it works. All right, and then I'll open it up and I'll show you the connections. I don't want anything to get unplugged. I've noticed it is very easy to unplug the things that are inside. So let's hope nothing like that happens. Okay. Oh, and there's proof that it's actually a bear, as you can see there. Okay, so let me see if I can do it with one hand. I usually use both my hands to connect it, but it takes off immediately. So let's see if I can connect it with one. Yeah, as you can see, it's already moving. Yeah, actually, let me use both. You're gonna start to hear it, I think. Yeah, you can hear it. You can definitely hear it. Oh well, this is being kind of tough to connect. And here we go, I think so. Yeah, there we go. So here you have it. I don't want to put it down yet because it's just gonna go running. So it has to detect the surface. There we go. So now it's going straight because this left wheel is spinning because the surface is not shorter to 15 centimeters. So if I put it down, it's gonna take off, I think. Oh, no, it did. Okay. So I think the sensor might be a bit too low, and since it's detecting the ground, it just starts spinning immediately. But when I pick it up, stop. Because when I pick it up, look, hold on. There, now it actually is going straight. So I don't know. I think the sensor is just detecting the ground. And no, don't want it to break. And now I think it's detecting the finger. There we go. So now it's just going straight. So I can't actually put it on the ground because it detects the ground as well. But it works. It works. I just need to put. It would just be about moving the sensor a bit up. But otherwise the polar bear would be gone. And yeah. So let's see. We can actually get it rolling. Well, it spins. Oh, there he goes. It's a little bit stupid, but don't worry about it. Let's see if I can not hurt it anyway and show you what's inside. Okay, so should I turn it off? No, I want to see it working. Okay, so I removed the top of the polar bear. So here we have it. Hope you can see it sort of clearly. A little bit. You can probably see a bit more from here. So here we have the Arduino, as always, and then on top of that is a board for the motors, and over there we have the battery that we see right now is going straight. And so here we have the battery that's connected, the double D battery that's connected to make the motors work. If you unplug that, as you can see, the motors stop working. Let me unplug it real quick. Let's It's really tough to unplug too. There we go. So now they're off, and even though the Arduino is still on, as you can tell by the blinking lights, they're off, and that's because the Arduino is powered by the 4 AA batteries, which are over there, and so it's like a mess of positive and negative cables there. But I'll try not to break it too much. So basically, those two cables are the battery cables are the ones going over here to the right, and they're connected to ground and 5 volts. And then we have the cables for the motors. Here we have the motors, and the cables go up there through like a little hole, and they pop out over there in the middle, and here they are connected to both. As you can see, like right over there, those little things. Yeah, that's 3 and 4, motor 3 and 4. There we are connected, and then we have the ultrasonic sensor. Here it is, and we have the cables. We have, let me turn around. We have so red is obviously 5 volts, ground is negative, black is ground, sorry, whatever, you get it. And then orange, which you can sort of tell that it's orange over here, yeah, orange is trigger, and yellow is echo. And so I don't know if you can clearly see it from here. I don't think you can that well, but trigger is connected to analog 5, and yellow is connected to analog 4, and so that allows the sensor to receive the signal and then pass it on to the motors, to the Arduino, so that knows where to move the motors and when to not. And that's basically about it. It's a happy bear, as you can see. Its head is open now, but yeah, it's a little bit stupid, but global warming and stuff. And yeah, and that's also a robot. That's another design that we made. It's a dog. It's pretty cool. It's also kind of stupid. But yeah, that's about it. I don't know if I'm missing anything. I don't think so. And well, the wheels are just connected through like a little like thingy here. It's really hard to put on the wheels. It was a mess. And that's about it. Yeah, and here's another wheel. And yeah, that's about it, teacher. Thank you. And yeah, and so that's the programming, but Atsi's gonna explain it to you. But yeah, that's basically it for our final challenge ever for the fair. Thanks, teacher. It was a fun class to have. It was good to have you as a teacher for the whole year, and we're gonna miss you. So thank you. And yeah, there it is. Thanks. Bye.